Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will learn how to use Microsoft Whiteboard for training and teaching purposes. To install Whiteboard, either go to the Microsoft Store on your PC, or press Windows and W together. Click on the Whiteboard option on the right-hand corner of the screen, and wait for the installation. Once installed, you will get an alert and click Launch to open it. Agree to the terms of usage and proceed further with the setup of your Whiteboard application. What you require is a Microsoft account, either a work or personal email. Outlook or Hotmail works. Sign into your account and your application is ready for use. In the next part of this video, you will learn how to use this application from the scratch. Now you can create a fresh whiteboard. Click on the blue tile, or plus button to add a fresh page to your application. All the things that you need in order to use this whiteboard application can be found within the toolbox. In the bottom of the application, click on the alphabet A, to add text to your whiteboard. You can easily drag and move the text wherever you like to place it. In order to add images to the whiteboard, click on the canvas icon from the toolbar. You can try other ways to add images as well. Let us explore them one by one. Easy method: simply click the image and drag it. Now click Alt along with Tab. How to resize the image inserted. It's simple. Drag and expand. Here is how to do it. Watch it carefully. How to add a sticker. Let's see. Click on the note icon to add a sticker or a note. Click on the plus icon from the toolbar. These options can be used for adding pages from the PDF or adding lists or PowerPoint presentations, etc. To add list, click on List Preview. Let's see how the whiteboard works with a simple demo. Alright, we have made this demo whiteboard to give a sense of how it might look. Let's explore and see how it looks like. As you can see, this looks like a proper presentable whiteboard. List is useful if you wish to use it for giving homework at the end of a session or points to remember, etc. Whiteboard doesn't have a hard, fast rule, depends on your creativity. By the end of this session you will be an expert in making whiteboards. Let's jump to the pen, the most important part of a whiteboard. Pen is quite useful for marking among other things. Click a pen to start drawing or writing on your board. If you're using a touch screen, you can use your finger or a stylus. Since you have a pen, there has to be an eraser to remove and correct any mistakes that you make. And let's see how you can use the pen and the eraser during a lecture. Save the lecture name. If you wish to avoid confusion or classify your lectures, you can save it with a unique name. We have written the instructions in the whiteboard, so that you find the instructions are simpler to understand while we go through it each element. How to change colors and increase the size. adding sticker or notes in the whiteboard. We will learn how to add a note, change its color, watch carefully, and pause the video or rewind it if you have any doubts. You will get better at it over time. Don't rush things. Have some patience. Everything comes with time and practice. Let's recap. How to add an image. Because it's one of the most essential part of a lecture. Useful in illustration purposes to paste it inside your whiteboard. Let's explore the other two options. Watch carefully. You can write down important things, or watch the video again. We are happy to help you with any query that you might have. Comment your questions here. We provide online session for groups and individuals on tech issues. Watch the video till the end and find the essential links in the video description section. Resizing an image. Locking an image to fix its position and size, so that it doesn't move freely on your whiteboard. You can do this by clicking on the image. Once the image options appear, simply click on the lock icon to fix its size and position. This is it. If you face any issues, let us know in the comment section. Happy to help. Bye now. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel.